Hello, my name's Nathan. I'm a member of the sales team here at Graham's Auto and Trucks Clinic. Today I'm pleased to present this Toyota Sequoia Limited. This vehicle has been maintained by our service department since it was brand new. We have all the service records for this vehicle and has been very well taken care of by its previous owner. It is a Toyota, so you know this vehicle will last and run forever. One of the outstanding features of this particular Toyota Sequoia is the frame is in very good condition. There's a lot of concern when it comes to this generation of Toyota Sequoias and the strength of their frame and the overall condition, and the condition in this vehicle is very good. As you see, it does have the third row seating. It does have the second row bench seats as well. This vehicle has all the amenities: power sunroof, backup camera, tow package, power rear seats, power rear lift gate. Take a quick look inside the rear passenger compartment. As I previously mentioned, second row bench seat can be hard to find. Some of these Sequoias with the second row bench seat. The bench seat does add for added seating capacity in the vehicle. There's third row seating as well. So if you want to talk about comfort and you want to talk about maximizing your seating opportunities, if you have a large family or you tend to travel with a lot of passengers, then this is the vehicle for you. This vehicle is powered by the 5.7 liter V8 fuel injected engine. We'll take a quick look underneath the engine compartment and you'll see that it is in very good condition. Again, I cannot stress how well this vehicle has been previously maintained by its previous owner. Front row heated seats, Bluetooth radio, 4-wheel drive, power sunroof. Time of making this video, the vehicle has 104,000 miles. As you can see, everything's running good. No warning lights, anything of that nature. Navigation, dual zone heating and air conditioning controls. Backup camera. Aforementioned trailer towing package, remote keyless entry, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, JBL premium sound system. It says all the features you could want. This vehicle is attractively priced to move fast. We do accept trade-ins. We do offer financing. This vehicle does qualify for a certified pre-owned warranty at an additional cost. We ship nationwide. If this is not the particular Toyota Sequoia you're looking for, we can source the exact Sequoia you're looking for through our multiple vendors. If you have any questions on this vehicle or a different Sequoia, give us a call, 608-635-2393. We've been in business for 30 years. We pride ourselves on giving a family-oriented, personalized customer experience.